How to plant a saguaro cactus. You should only purchase a saguaro cactus from someone that has a permit and will provide proper documentation upon payment. The process is much like transferring a vehicle title. Once you've purchased your saguaro cactus from a reputable source, they will provide a moving crew and deliver it to your house. Keep in mind that the larger the saguaro and the more arms it has, the higher the price tag will be. This saguaro traveled about 40 miles, at 25 miles per hour, to reach its new home. Because of the weight of the cactus, the transport crew had to change trucks. They strapped and braced the cactus to the first truck bed so the arms wouldn't be damaged in transit. Unfortunately, the load was so heavy that it lifted the front two wheels off the ground. Before the saguaro has made the trip to your home, decide where you'd like it to be planted. It's important to be certain of the location as you can't change your mind after it's in the ground. Angling the saguaro cactus in the right position into the hole is very tricky. This maneuver took the majority of the time during the planting project. Once the angle is correct, the truck backs up so the saguaro cactus can be moved into position. This process is done very slowly and with much care. It's crucial to use braces, chains, and as many supports as needed. To plant this giant cactus, the crew used a combination of chains and leverage to slide the saguaro into the hole. Once the bottom of the cactus is angled into the hole, the truck slowly backs up to gently push the saguaro into an upright position. The cactus remains braced during this process as it could cause damage, or worse, an injury, if pushed too far forward. Once everyone agrees the saguaro is vertical, the hole can be filled in with dirt and the chains and braces are removed. When everything is removed, the job will be done. The entire planting process took about 2 hours. You'll notice that no irrigation system has been installed for this tree of the desert. It will not require any special watering. Step back and admire your new saguaro cactus. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.